Hey friends, welcome back to another video. So I'm in Hawaii, the Volcano National Park in Hawaii, and yeah, this is gonna be my first experience doing Workaway, and I kind of want to just bring you along for my experience and kind of show you what it's like. I'm on the Big Island, kind of near Hilo, on the Hilo side, and I apologize for the wind. It's a little windy. It's raining right now, obviously too. Pretty amazing though. This place it's kind of unbelievable. So I've been here for a week already. Like I said, this is my first Workaway ever, and I'm here on the Big Island of Hawaii. So far I've been doing some DIY projects and working the garden, and there's about 4 or 5 other workers here with me, which is really nice. So I've already made some good friends, and one of the guys rented a car, so we were able to go up to the national park with the volcano. And so, well, basically, if you don't know what Workaway is, it's essentially work trade. Woof is another popular website, I think. So basically, you contact somebody who has like a listing, and you come and stay with them and work usually about 20 hours a week in exchange for a place to live, essentially. So I've been here in Hawaii not really paying for accommodation, which is super nice because it's very, very expensive here. So I feel very grateful to my hosts. So far my experience has been awesome with Workaway, and would definitely recommend it if you're thinking about it. The Big Island is great. There's a really good bus system here if you're trying to choose between islands. It's definitely I think cheaper on the Hilo side, buying food and everything. But that being said, there's more snorkeling on the Kona side. So this video will be probably pretty short, but I wanted to just give you guys all an update on where I've been and what I'm up to. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.
Ha ha ha!